Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. There are a lot of basics we need to know to create magic in a kitchen. From blanching to knife cuts and anything in between. One that is so easy and quick to do is toasting sesame seeds. Don't waste your money buying them already done and let's get cooking. Sesame seeds have their own oils. Therefore, we'll toast them in a dry skillet on medium heat. We can either stir them or, with a little practice, flip them. Now, if you have a big batch to do, you can always use the oven at 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes, stirring halfway through. I'm telling you right now, I am not a fan of the oven method, and to find out why, read the blog. After a few minutes, they'll be fragrant and turn golden brown. We'll immediately transfer to a plate to cool completely. Don't leave them in a skillet as they can burn. As you saw in this video, it takes 5 minutes to bring these little gems to a gorgeous level of yumminess. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!